In a garden bright and sunny lived a bee who loved sweet honey. Buzz the bee with shiny wings danced and hummed and loved to sing. Next came Pip, a purple frog, wearing boots to jump through fog. He croaked a tune and twirled her around, making funny, splashing sounds. Tilly the turtle baked a pie with jelly beans stacked up so high. She giggled as she rolled the dough, while singing tunes so soft and slow. There was Ziggy, a zebra blue, wearing pants and a big red shoe. He painted stars upon the wall and made the moon feel 10 feet tall. With a sparkly hat rode a goose and waved at a cat. She juggled cookies in the air and shared them with a dancing bear. Leo the lion cub tried to roar, but sneezed and tumbled on the floor. Everyone laughed and hugged him tight, then danced and sang into the night. So come and join this cheerful crew, with talking hats and skies so blue. The Wiggly World is full of cheer, where silly songs are always near.